In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide all grids in Figma. Figma tricks. If you've ever felt distracted by all those red or blue lines on your canvas, this quick tip will help you turn them off in seconds so you can focus on your design. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head to the file you want to work on. Once your file is open, make sure you're on the page that contains the design you're editing. Have your frame ready on the canvas. If that frame already has a layout grid or columns applied, you'll see the grid overlay on top of your design. That's what we're going to hide. Don't worry, hiding grids will not delete them or change your layout settings. It simply turns off their visibility for your current view. Now, look to the top left corner of Figma and click the Figma icon to open the main menu. This is your central control hub for settings and view options. In the menu, click View. This section controls what's visible on the canvas. Here, you'll find the option labeled Layout Grids. Click Layout Grids to toggle them off. The moment you do, all layout grids across your canvas will disappear from view. Your frames, constraints, and responsive setup remain intact. Only the guiding lines are hidden. If nothing appears to change, it may be because your current frame doesn't have a grid applied, or you're zoomed out far enough that the grid wasn't noticeable. That's fine. The toggle still works globally for your view. Also keep in mind that this is a viewing preference. Hiding grids this way affects what you see on your device, not what collaborators see on theirs. They can keep grids visible if they prefer. To bring the grids back later, repeat the same path. Click the Figma icon, click View, then click Layout Grids again to toggle them on. It's the same switch, just reversed. This is especially handy when you want to check alignment and spacing briefly, then return to a clean, distraction-free canvas. A quick tip for workflow. Consider hiding grids when presenting work to a client or teammate, then turning them back on during refinement. It keeps the focus on the visuals when you need it, without losing the precision of your layout system. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. You've just learned how to hide all grids in Figma using the built-in view controls. If this was helpful, practice it a couple of times so it becomes second nature as you move between designing and reviewing your work.